What is up, Harries, and welcome back to my channel. I am on my way to my dentist appointment. Y'all know your girl is she's moving super early because she's always on time or whatever, you know. So I am on my way right now, so I'll show you guys how I'm looking when I get there. All right. Office. I am about to get my teeth. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you guys a quick braces update. I'm here looking at furniture, looking at beds and stuff. So he added this thing right here. I don't know if you could see it good, but it's actually so that I could expand how I put the elastics in my mouth, because that space is still there. It's still there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I put in the elastics. Cool little furniture, right? Check out this chair. I like this chair. I like this one. And I like the beige in this one. Right now, I'm still waiting on the left side of my teeth to close down completely. Apparently, my tongue is trying to find a way out. I guess it wants to be free. Like I said, I don't have the bad habit with my sucking my tongue during the day. It's usually at night. So what I'm thinking is happening like at night, when my tongue is trying to, like, you know, like when my mouth is trying to suck on my tongue. I don't even know. I don't even know. It can't really fit the tongue to thrust it. Like, it can't thrust it out because hair is closed. So I'm thinking what it's trying to do is, since the tongue screen is higher on this side than that side. I don't know if you can notice. So the tongue screen is like slanted like this, you see, like that, right? So the orthodontist, the last time, he adjusted the tongue screen, but what he ended up doing is he ended up making one side higher and the next side lower. So what is happening is my tongue is trying to exit on the lower side, which is this side, which is my left side. Right now, you see, this side is completely closed, which is great, right? Perfect. Now this side, you see right here, you see that little space? So what's happening is, like, my tongue is like, you see? Like it's thrusting itself through this side thing here. I don't know if you could see it. But he put this little hook. So with the little hook, I'm going to put my elastics on. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to open. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to show you what it looked like. So now, like, remember before I was hooking it right here, and then right here, and right here in the square. So now he put this hook on this one. So now I could, ow, on here. So it'll be connected like hair. See? So now this should help with bringing these teeth down. And the other side, I'm still doing the same thing, which is a square. And I'm no longer wearing the rubber bands. I still have the ligature ties, and the space that was in the middle, it's pretty much, I have to wear these elastics all day, all night. I normally take them off when I'm eating food, right? And when I eat food, I take them off, and sometimes I reuse them, like I'll wash them off and then put them back in. Especially if I'm like out, I would do that. I would take them out, eat my food, wash them, put them back in. But if I'm home and I'm next to my bag of elastics, I would take them out, throw them away, and then replace them with some new ones. So I would do that. So right now I have another dentist appointment for the next 2 weeks. So I no longer coming in once a month, because right now we're trying to take these braces off. So I'm scheduled to come in every 2 weeks. So once I come in, which I say a prayer for me, because let's hope this is the last 2 weeks I'm wearing these things, because once this side is completely closed down, just like this side, once this is gone, that's it. Like, that's it. I'll get to take off my braces. So right now that's the only thing we're waiting on. Other than that, I'm pretty much done. It's kind of awkward to talk with the elastics. I do if I'm like talking to somebody nearby. It's kind of awkward to talk with them like loud. But if I'm like next to you and I'm talking like, hey girl, yeah, how you doing? So what did Tyrone say last night, girl? I don't know what he said. You know, if I'm like next to you and I'm talking, then it's fine. But see, like I have the phone a little distance away, and I want y'all to hear me clearly, so I'm kind of projecting my voice. So it's kind of weird talking with it. But other than that, it's fine. I don't have any problem with the elastics. I don't have any problem with oh, let me tell you about the visit. So I didn't get to record the visit. I don't know, it was just kind of awkward, like, because the actual doctor was doing it, so I didn't want to be like recording, you know, just in case he don't like stuff like that. Like if the other like the assistants were there doing it, then I would be more comfortable to record. But because it was the doctor dealing with it, I didn't pull out my phone. So basically what he did is, like, this metal piece that he put right here is kind of like a ligature tie, which is like a metal string type thing that they twist around. I think I showed it to you in my previous video when I was putting them on, so if you haven't seen it, go and check that out. So he put something similar to the ligature tie, but it has like a little hook, which is, you can't really see it, so I'll take a picture, and you should probably see the picture from before. It's like a little hook, so he put that in, like he put it in, and then he twisted it around, and then he tucked the little end piece inside my teeth so that it doesn't scratch my tongue or anything. And then that's it. That's all he did for my dentist appointment. Like, it was very quick. It took like it took literally 2 minutes. So